Westermans here with a PEI PF136 spot welder. Just actually been sold. We're just doing a function test before the machine is dispatched. On this machine for a client, we're also going to do a quick video on the controls to explain what they are. More machines like this available from stock. Also smaller, all PEI, new ones, rocker type, manual, pneumatic, projection, even suspended and car point for the car trade. Like I say, more details available on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.